Good morning, everybody. Welcome to my Garrison studio. My most recent book, Would You Build This? Builds, haha, on my kind of foundational core book, Can I Borrow Your Car? Can I Borrow Your Car is a book that I call How to Be a Shepherd of Relationships, how to be responsible, how to be human, how to be real and authentic. These are things I always say at the end of these videos, right? Be real, be human, be authentic. Can I Borrow Your Car is the spine of everything. It's the core. Would You Build This is really a book about the most important question that most of my clients are struggling with internally and don't have anyone to talk to about and or are trying to figure out how to solve. And I've gotten to this position of success. I don't want to have the next level of success be done the same way. Would you build this? A story about the firm you would design today. That's really the question that follows Can I Borrow Your Car? Can I Borrow Your Car being the mechanism for building a firm that you would enjoy today, a firm built because of your judgment, because of you, because of your relationships, a firm that can scale trust, not through AI, not through technology. You will use it as appropriate to give you more time to be human, to be real, to be authentic, to be in person, but you will not use it to market. You will use it to amplify you and preserve your time. I cannot stress this more. I have never, and I mean never, been more convicted or excited about my business life. 30 plus years spent interacting with human beings, face to face, networking, giving, serving, getting. Like, this is our time. This is our time. Whether you're 20, whether you're 16, whether you're 70, this is our time. The humans, this is our time. Don't get discouraged. I did. Like, for the last year, I kind of dived into AI and really looked at it. I got discouraged and I got kind of overwhelmed and everything, but I'm right back to where I was. It's really about us humans. If you can hear this message, you got a chance. There is a better path. AI will help some, but it will never replace you. Remember, be real, be human, be authentic.